Surgiflow Hemostatic Matrix Kit is a combination of a flowable gelatin matrix and human thrombin component that accelerates the formation of a platelet plug and aids in fibrin clot formation. Surgiflow's thicker matrix allows precise placement, conforms to the tissue, and provides a tamponade effect. Designed to stay in place even during active bleeding, the gelatin granules that make up the Surgiflow matrix provide an environment for blood components such as platelets and red blood cells to adhere to and aggregate within, while also providing a tamponade effect. Building on the patient's natural coagulation cascade, the thrombin component of Surgiflow acts as a catalyst and activates the patient's endogenous fibrinogen, accelerating fibrin clot formation.